Want to change your Instagram password? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, even if you've forgotten your current password. Open the Instagram app. Then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Now tap Account Center, which is the first option under your account. Next, tap Password and Security, then tap Change Password. If you have more than one Instagram account connected, you'll see all of them here. Simply choose the account you want to change the password for. Now you're on the Change Password screen. If you know your current password, type it into the first field. Then enter your new password, re-enter it to confirm, and tap Change Password. That's all it takes. But what if you've forgotten your current password? Don't worry, you can still change it. Just tap Forgot Your Password at the bottom of the screen. Instagram will send a password reset link to the email address connected to your account. Open that email and tap the reset link. It will take you to the password reset page where you can create a brand new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and you're done. And that's how you can change your Instagram password, whether you remember your current one or you've forgotten it. It's quick, easy, and a good idea to update your password regularly to help keep your account secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more helpful Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.